bases in our genome. So there are 3 billion bases in our genome. One letter of that, which changes one amino acid in this protein, seems to be responsible for the evolution of lighter skin color in Europeans.
But the gene doesn't explain the difference in skin color between blacks and Asians. Other as yet undiscovered genes are likely involved. Still, it is the most
undiscovered genes. We know what genes they talking about that's undiscovered. Motherfucker, y'all know this shit discovered. Y'all just hiding some shit. Stop it.
skin color gene yet discovered.
Undiscovered gene.
We have the zebrafish to thank, not to mention Mr. Bob, for the inspiration. The discovery casts new light on an old theory.
It actually provides very great support for other people's work that have tried to explain why people have lighter skin in Europe, which is that in order to not get rickets, because we need vitamin D from the sun, we have to be exposed to that in our skin. You need lighter skin in order to make enough vitamin D to not get rickets to live further north.
According to the theory, some 200,000 years ago, the first modern humans, black Africans, started migrating outside Africa. Anyone carrying the mutation for light skin was better protected against rickets. This is allegedly how the mutation spread throughout northern regions. Dr. Cheng's research does not prove this theory, but by showing that the original skin color of humans was black and that whiteness is a recent mutation in evolutionary terms,
whiteness is a recent what?
Doesn't contradict it.
Hold on, whiteness is a recent what?
Dr. Cheng's research does not prove this theory, but by showing that the original skin color of humans was black and that whiteness is a recent mutation in evolutionary terms, it doesn't contradict it.
Whiteness is a recent mutation. So all the genetic back and forth, we're the original beings. And time again, I'm having white scientists, we having Asian scientists saying this shit. So if you don't believe that you're the original being and they lied to you about who the fuck you is, that motherfucker that look like me, black man, if you don't believe that, I don't know what to tell you, right? And if you still believe that and you got pale skin and you're superior, it's called the inferior complex. Yeah. So the inferior complex is when you're inferior and you try to overcompensate for your inferiority, so you try to dominate it and conquer shit, knowing you not that thing. It's like a nigga that yell and do all this tough shit, but really a bitch. That's how I see white folks that do all that extra shit, right? Not all of them, but the motherfuckers that do. White folks, whatever Asian, whatever the fuck you think you is and you racist. You hear me? You not original being to this earth.
Also a way of
this is my turf, just to let you know.
That whatever our skin color, our ancestors were black.
Our ancestors were black.
As a doctor, Cheng saw applications for the discovery in the fight against skin cancer and other diseases.
This is a very important cancer susceptibility gene because lighter skinned people get a lot of skin cancer. It also causes susceptibility to acquired form of blindness, age-related macular degeneration.
So the lack of melanin, this is what a lack of melanin causes. You hear me? So if you melanated and you want to look like them because of their programming and all this, that, and this, man, you fucking tripping, dog. You fucking tripping, because you is that thing. No matter if you fucking, it don't matter, sis or brother. You gotta love yourself, because they want you to not love yourself because of reasons like this, bruh.
Perhaps this gene could be a target for treating melanoma, which is a very deadly cancer.
They die by skin cancer. And we see why motherfuckers is racist, bruh. This is science. This is not racism at all. We're just unlearning, learning, and then relearning. That's it.
Geneticist Cheng felt profound joy at solving a mystery of human biology, skin color. But as a man who faced discrimination because of his skin color, he saw it as a warning and a chance to contemplate what it means to talk about race.
For one thing, we need to establish anytime the term race is brought up, are you doing this work to compare, to make value judgments, to put people down? Well, we're not interested in those discussions as scientists, hopefully.
What is your attention? Yeah.
But on the other hand of it's to understand differences, to understand biology, to
understand biology. and that you've been lied to, black man, black sis. You've been lied to like a motherfucker. You've been lied to. You've been lied to.
Celebrate difference, for example, then it's fine to talk about it. And we need to recognize, secondly, that it's a very complex term. So it includes things that are genetic, such as pigment, shapes of the body, but it also includes factors that are not genetic, language, customs, nationality, religion. None of those are genetic. Those are sociological. But I think it's time that we join and help clarify the use of this term and to make our discussion more sophisticated.
The truth is here. You either accept the motherfucker or you don't accept the motherfucker. But guess what though? The truth is the truth regardless.